Hello everyone, welcome back to the another session of social science. I am your teacher Kavita here to present and as well as to discussions about the important years and events of social science lessons. In previous video, we discussed about the important years and events on history lessons and as well as political lessons. Today, I am come back with the next continuing part of important years and events of social science. In today's session, I am going to discuss with lessons sociology, economics, geography and as well as business studies. Along with the years, after completion of years and events, at last I am going to discuss with the important articles of social science. So, let us start our session. The first important years. So, compared to history lessons, because in history lessons many years are there, but compared to history lessons, here in your textbook few important years given. So, as per the textbook and as per the academic year of 2020 and 21, so I am going to do video on important years and events. So, let us start our session from sociology. So, 1955 Untouchability Offence Act was implemented. In the year 1955, Untouchability Offences Act was implemented. 1976 Protection of Civil Rights Act. Protection of Civil Rights Act. Next, 1971 Equal Wages Act, means fixed wages for men and women. 1955 Untouchability Offence Act. 1976 Protection of Civil Rights Act. 1971 Equal Wages Act was implemented. Next, 1973 Jharkhand Mukti Morcha was formed. 1973 Jharkhand Mukti Morcha was formed. 1974 Chipko movement was started. In the year 1974 Chipko movement was started. Next, in the year 1983 Apiko movement was started. In the year 1983 Apiko movement was started. Next, in the year 1864 the International Working Men's Association in the first labour established in London. In the year 1864 the International Working Men's Association is the first labour union established in London. The first labour union established at London in the year 1864. Next, in the year 1923, in order to protect the social security of workers, the Government of India implemented Act. In the year 1923, in order to protect the social security of workers, so that the Government of India implemented this Act. Next, 1925 Periyar Ramaswamy started self-respect movement in Tamil Nadu. In the year 1925, Periyar Ramaswamy was started self-respect movement in Tamil Nadu. Next, 2012. So, 2012 any act of unsafe, touch, exploitation, violence, harassment of any children under 18 age, boy or girl. In the year 2012 one of the important act was implemented, that is here act of unsafe touch, exploitation, violence, harassment of any children, boy or girl under 18 ಏಜ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂತಂದರೆ 18 ವರ್ಷದ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಹರಾಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡೋದಾಗಿರಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಟಾರ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗಿರಲಿ, ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗಿರಲಿ, ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪನಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2006 Prohibition of Child Marriage Act. 2006 Prohibition of Child Marriage Act. Next 1986 Law of Child Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act was implemented. In the year 1986 Law of Child Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act was implemented. Next important year 2016 Adolescents Labor Prohibition Act was implemented. In the year 2016 Adolescents Labor Prohibition Act was implemented. So these are the important years are under sociology. Next geography. So in geography only we can see important years on only few lessons. The next here from the geography 1936 the first national park in India. The first national park in India was established in the year 1936 at Jim Corbett. So first national park was established in the year 1936 at Jim Corbett. Next 1971. So in the year 1971 Biosphere Reserve was launched by the UNESCO. In the year 1971 Biosphere Reserve was launched by the UNESCO. So UNESCO in the sense United Nations Education, Scientific, Cultural and Organization. This organization was established Biosphere Reserve for the first time in the year 1971. In the year 1986 in India the first Biosphere Reserve came into existence at Nilgiri Hills. So in the 1971 UNESCO was started for the first time in the world. After few years for the first time Biosphere Reserve was started in the year 1986 at Nilgiri Hills. Next 1999 Golden Quadrilateral and Super Highways were started in the year 1999 Golden Quadrilateral and Super Highways were started in India. Next 1853 the first railway track was started between Bombay to Thana. In the year 1853 the first railway track was started between Bombay to Thana. Next 1854 after 1 year one more railway lane was started between Kolkata to Raniganj. In the year 1853 it was the first railway track was started in India between Bombay to and Thana. After next year 1854 another railway track was started between Kolkata to Raniganj. Next 1864 one more railway lane was started between Chennai to Arkonam. Next 1930 in the year 1930 All India Radio was started. In the year 1930 All India Radio was started. Next 1959 1959, the broadcasting was started under the name of Doordarshana, DD channel. You know DD channel? Yes. In the year 1959, TV broadcasting was started under the name of Doordarshana, DD channel at Delhi. Next, 1822, the first newspaper was started. It is none other than Bombay Samachar. In the year 1822, Bombay Samachar was started for the first time in India. And next years, 1874, the modern iron and steel industry in India was started at Kulti. In the year 1874, the first modern iron and steel industry was started at Kulti. In next year, 1907, another modern iron and steel industry was started in the year 1907. That credit goes to J.N. Tata. J.N. Tata was established the modern iron and steel industry at Jamshedpur. So, of course, 1874, it was the first modern iron and steel industry at Kulti. In the next year, after few years, the J.N. Tata was started modern iron and steel industry at Jamshedpur. Next, 1942, aluminium industry was started at Jaikai Nagar. The year 1942, aluminium industry was started at Jaikai Nagar. Next, 1854. In the year 1854, cotton textile industry was started. In the year 1854, cotton textile industry was started at Mumbai. Next, 1955, software technology parks was started. In the year 1955, software technology parks was started. So, these are the important years of geography lessons. And next move on here, the important years on economics lesson. Here also only few years given to your textbook. So, as per your textbook, I am going to say important years on economics lessons. So, 2014, India got 135 rank out of 187. So, in the 2014, India got ranked 135 out of 187 countries. 2014 ಅಲ್ಲಿ HDI ದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾರತಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಥಾನ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂತಂದರೆ ಆ 187 ದೇಶಗಳ ನಡುವೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 135. So, India got ranked 135 out of 187 countries. In the year 2012, India got 136 rank. 136th rank out of 186 countries. 2014 India got rank 135 out of 187. In the 2012 India got rank 136 out of 186 countries. Next, 1993 73rd amendment is very important year. For the first time, Panchayat Raj system came into force in the year 1993. So, these three are important years of economics lessons. Next, move on important years of business studies. 1956. So, 1956, Indian Association of Consumer came into force in India. 1956, the first Indian Association of Consumer came into force in India. 1965, the real beginning of the movement was started in India. So, 1956, of course, it was the first association came into force, but in the year 1965, the real beginning of the movement was started in the year 1965. Next, 1986. 1986, the Consumer Protection Act came into force in India. So, in the year 1986, the Consumer Protection Act came into force. Next, 1962. 1962, March 15th is very important period, that is World Consumer Movement. So, the World Consumer Movement was started in the year 1962, March 15th. It was declared by former President of USA, that is John F. Kennedy. So, every year we are celebrating World Consumer Day on March 15th. So, 1962, March 15th, the World Consumer Movement. So, these are all the important years of social science. In previous video, we have discussed about important years on history lessons and as well as political science lessons. So, today I have discussed about the continuing part of important years and events of social science. So, these are all the important years of sociology, geography, economics and business studies. Next, to move on another concept, that is the important articles of social science lessons. So, a very important concept here. So, this is also one of the requesting of students, so that as per the request of viewers and as well as students, I am going to do video on the important articles of social science. So, Article 39. Article 39 says that providing social justice and people welfare of the people is the duty of the state government. Article 39 says here that providing social justice and people welfare of the people is the duty of the state government. Next, Article 21A. Article 21A says here, free and compulsory education to all children between 6 to 14 years is the fundamental rights of the children. Article 21A says free and compulsory education. So, free and compulsory education to all the children under 6 to 14 years, it is one of the fundamental rights of the constitution. So, as per the 86th amendment. So, free and compulsory education. Next, Article 45. Article 45 says all children under 14 years should be provided with a free and compulsory education. Article 45 says here all the children, it means under 14 years, the free should be provided with a free and compulsory education. Here say free and compulsory education under 6 to 14 years. Article 45 says should be provided ಕೊಡಲೇಬೇಕು ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷದ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಅಂಡರ್ 14 years. Article 45 says should be provided free and compulsory education under 14 years children. Next, Article 19. Article 19, that right to speak and right to express own opinion, it is a fundamental rights. Article 19 says to express, to speak and to express own opinion, it is a fundamental right. Article 19 says the right to speak and right to express own opinion and it is a fundamental right. Next, Article 29. Article 29 says the protection of cultural rights of the minorities. Article 29 says protection of cultural rights of the minorities. Who are minorities? Which religions are under minorities? So, ಮೈನಾರಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಪಸಂಖ್ಯಾತ ವರ್ಗದವರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಗದವರು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಸ್ಲಾಂ, ಕ್ರಿಶ್ಚಿಯನ್, ಜೈನಿಸಮ್, ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಸಮ್. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅಂಡರ್ that minorities. So article 29 says here the protection of cultural rights of the minorities. Next, article 30. Article 30 says the establishment of minorities educational institution. Article 30 says to establishment of minorities educational institution. ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ 30 ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಪಸಂಖ್ಯಾತ ವರ್ಗದ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಡುವಂತಹ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳನ್ನ ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ 29 ಸೇಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮೈನಾರಿಟೀಸ್. ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ 39 ಸೇಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಟು ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೈನಾರಿಟೀಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ 46. ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ 46 ಸೇಸ್ clearly express that it is the duty of the government to support for educational for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. It's most important article in constitution, that is article 46 says clearly express that it is the duty of the government to support the education for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. So ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಟ್ರೈಬ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿದವರಿಗೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಕೊಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಸೇ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಟು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ SC and ST, ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಟ್ರೈಬ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್. ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಸೇಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ 46. And next here article 17. Article 17 says the Indian Constitution prohibits untouchability. It's a very important year. Article 17 says the prohibition of untouchability. The Indian Constitution prohibits untouchability. Article 51 says, Article 51 says to establishment of international peace and the cooperation. So these are the important articles of social science, especially from the sociology. And so by this concept I am going to finish my session right now. And before going to end my session, so I want to tell something for you all. A few days to go, your examination will be there, isn't it? Yes. When it is there? On July 19th 2021. I hope everyone studied well. So I have a confidence on my students because I know very well about my students. Everyone studying well. This is the revision time. Only few days to go, your examination will be there. So those who have studied from day one, for them easy. So those who have not studied, still time is there, don't time waste. Focus on the studies, sure you will get good result. So just few days is there in your hand, isn't it? Yes. So I am feeling very happy. Everyone are following my videos and I am very happy about that. So I am receiving good feedback from YouTube viewers, from students about my channel and as well as my videos. I am feeling very happy. So it's one just as serve in the pandemic situation. So since 1 year I am going to do video on social science lessons. So I am feeling very happy for that. So not only my students, even other students are also following my videos. Across the Karnataka I am receiving a good feedback. So it's very happy moment. So nothing is there, still time is there. Please kindly request, please focus on the studies. So still time is there, don't think about negative. Everything will be there, everything will be there in your hand. If I possible, sure I can do. So and everyone will ready to face examination of 2020 and 21 in the pandemic situation COVID-19. So everyone, all the students will have strong confidence to face examination on July 19th 2021. So kindly request, don't time waste. So prove yourself, because online class and teaching is very short time, everything is going on. So prove yourself, so get good result. So nothing, and shading pattern is there. Think and shade. Every subject will have color pattern. So Government of Karnataka, that is Government of Karnataka has given instructions about OMR sheet and everything. So and still time is there. In these days you will take a challenge, sure you will get good result. You ಏನು ಕೆಲವೇ ದಿನಗಳಿದಾವೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಚಾಲೆಂಜಾಗಿ ಆಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಶೋರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ನ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ has taken lot of measures to conduct exams for SSLC batch. This is the memorable batch for everyone, because in the COVID-19, in the critical situation, so teachers struggles and students struggle, so everything is there. It will come to know only for that result only. So teachers and students ಏನು ಸ್ಟ್ರಗಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಯಾವುದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ, ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಸೊ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಮೈ ಚಾನಲ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್, not only my students, it belongs to everyone, whoever followers, whoever not followers. So my channel and my videos are belongs to everyone. So I'm always ready to do to all my students, and my best wishes is always there for you. I wish you all the best, and I'm very excitement on July 19th. So and focus on the studies, be confident, but don't get overconfident, and don't become panic in the examination. Everything will be all right. Clear everyone? So I hope so everyone studied well, everyone will ready to face examination on July 19th. So stay strong and stay confident. So think and shade, because it's a pattern here. So I kindly request, so I wish you all the best for your examination. So good luck, and best wishes is always there for you. Thank you and have a nice day.